Hello, Mr. Fit. Hello, Mr. Right. Hello, Mr. Fit and Right. Hello, Mr. Justin Trudeau. How do you do, Mr. Fit and Right? This is Pachari, the old man from Pachari Yoga International Trust. Coming to you, Mr. Fit and Right person. Hello, dear friend. Please listen to me for a few minutes. It is all about death and the forgotten concept of yoga. The science accepts death as an end in drug, surgery, cadaver and hospitalization. The polity certifies death in honor, death today and honor forever. Death is the fear, pity, pardon for the ignorance in yoga. And science is nonsense in yoga. Yoga is zero for science and polity. And yoga is a dustbin for the anatomy. No one knows what is yoga and what is the associated practices in yoga. And I am sorry for that in yoga. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is PIT, is incredible at YPMFS practices, that is yoga, pranayama, meditation, improved food practices and improved social life habits, all towards value in life, that is VALP. Value added longevity of peaceful and painless life. My dear friend, PIT is the paradise in yoga, PIT is a paradise in pranayama, and PIT is a paradise in meditation. A paradise in food practices and living habits. Certified that yoga is very effective natural remedy, freely available online at Pachari Yoga International Trust. Further certified that PIT endeavors to harness global value, global health, global welfare towards global peace.